So whales spend most of their time underwater. So how do you study a species that's spending 2/3 of its life underwater? We really need to develop new tools and new technologies to sort of dive with the whales into the abyss. My name is Dr. Ian Kerr, and I'm CEO of Ocean Alliance. We're a conservation science-based organization in Gloucester, Massachusetts. Our Ultimaker 3D printers have really empowered us to think outside the box. I spent a lot of my life, over 15 years, chasing whales down and biopsying them to do a health assessment. The tags we're putting on are like a Fitbit. They're really telling us how that animal's living its daily life. Time, depth, speed, acceleration, orientation. And that's where the magic of 3D printing really changed our lives and enabled us to sort of come up with some crazy ideas. Quite a lot of the stuff we're doing has never been done before. We now design the tools so that, the top end can be used for different drones, different release mechanisms. The bottom ends can be used for different tags. Could we put a fin on it? Could we put wings on it? Could we make it bigger, shorter? It's breaking down boundaries, and I think that's what 3D printers are doing.
My name is Chris Zadra. I'm the Director of Drone Programs at Ocean Alliance. We focus a lot right now on developing drone-based solutions for making marine mammal research easier, safer, more efficient, and more affordable. So we've been tagging whales since the beginning of 2022. The tag itself is 3D printed. Currently we have an Ultimaker 3, an Ultimaker S3, and the MakerBot Method X. All these components are 3D printed. We have a flexible TPU material that can hold onto the tag, but is soft enough to release when the tag attaches to the whale. And then the rest of it is printed in Ultimaker Tough PLA, including the release system mount, the drive wheel on our motor to spin up the flywheel, and even the bracket that connects to the drone. We really want to make our solutions accessible to researchers across the world. So it's really great that it's so easy to send STL files, 3D files to other researchers all across the globe. Tagging over 200 whales in 2 years is a number that none of us could have ever imagined we'd have accomplished. It's really exciting.
I think it's again a magical formula between the drones, the 3D printing, and the scientific tools. You got to open your mind, mate, because this machine is going to do way more than you ever imagined.